Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a green bean casserole stovetop. Everyone knows at Thanksgiving it's hard to get everything in the oven at once, so anything that you can move out of the oven is always a help. This green bean casserole is a favorite of mine. I make it like this every year, and it allows for some extra space in my oven. It's really easy, couldn't be easier, and you guys are going to love it. So again, we're going to make a green bean casserole stovetop. You're going to start by just putting a little bit of olive oil into your pan, and then doing about a teaspoon or so of some minced garlic. We're gonna let our garlic cook a little bit on our own, and then we're gonna add a shallot that we just sliced up like this, one whole shallot. You can also use a little bit of onion if you don't have a shallot. Next step, we have a package of diced up pancetta that we're gonna add in, and we're gonna give this a good stir, and then we're gonna let these three ingredients really cook together until the pancetta is, pretty cooked through. These flavors are really good together. They're gonna smell super yummy, and they're gonna create a great base for your green bean casserole. Then after we let this cook a little bit, we're gonna add, I have a package of some sliced mushrooms. We're gonna add that in, and then we're gonna give it a cover and let the mushrooms kind of sweat down a little bit and get going. We're steaming up here. Now it's time to add our green beans in, and 1 can of condensed mushroom soup. I actually like to use this golden mushroom one, but any old condensed mushroom soup will work. You're then gonna just stir all that together in your pot. After we have it stirred all together, we're gonna just do a little bit of black pepper, and then we're gonna cover it and let it simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can't really cook it too long. You're gonna wanna make sure that it doesn't burn on the bottom or anything like that, but low heat, let it simmer down until your green beans are soft. And when you're ready to serve, you're gonna top off your green beans with those frizzled onions that everybody loves so much, and then that's it. A homemade green bean casserole on your stovetop, freeing up that oven space that we know is so valuable around the holidays. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Have a very happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.